In this video, we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of buying a large air conditioning unit with higher capacity compared to purchasing several smaller units. 1. A single large system can be more energy efficient if used in applications where 100% of the cooling capacity is frequently required, or with few variations in the cooling load. 2. Having only one unit can simplify installation tasks and reduce costs. 3. A single compressor can be quieter than having two units running simultaneously. 4. When you have only one unit, if it fails, you lose all cooling capacity, which can be problematic in very hot climates. 5. With a single unit, the distribution of cold air can be less efficient, especially in irregular spaces or those with partitions. 6. In applications where the thermal load or cooling needs change frequently, such as due to the number of people in a space or the time of operation, it is recommended to use smaller units with lower capacity, as this can achieve greater energy savings during periods of lower cooling demand. 7. Using multiple small units reduces the likelihood of creating hot spots in parts of the space being cooled. 8. Utilizing multiple smaller units provides greater flexibility and control over the temperature in different areas of the space, better adapting to the individual needs of occupants. 9. A large unit may be more visible than several small units in terms of aesthetics. Additionally, in most cases, installing multiple units requires more modifications to the space compared to using just one unit. 10. If there is no possibility of having a higher voltage power supply, using multiple smaller units may be a better option. 11. In situations where 100% power is not required, using multiple air conditioning units allows the option to buy some inverter-type units and others that are more economical on off-control types, while still achieving good performance. With only one unit, it is necessary for it to be an inverter type, preferably high efficiency and generally expensive, to achieve good performance. 12. When the space has hot spots such as windows or walls that are hotter than other areas, it may be important to use multiple units to place one in the area with higher demand.